Hi guys, namaste, namaste. Sending you lots of love and light. What a beautiful day, isn't it? Isn't such a beautiful life? You know, we all have our own challenges. Let's don't be asshole to each other. Let's help each other and recharge, right? Let's recharge. Where is the best place to recharge? Where your resonance is. Nature. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. So let's just sit here, meditate with the sounds of nature and in silence of our mind. So I'm not going to talk too much. Just going to sit here and see how long this video will last and just enjoy the sounds of nature. Such a beautiful piece. Fairies and all the multidimensional kingdoms are awakening. Shh, spirits are here. Have fun in your life and connect. And you know what? It's okay to be silly. It's okay to be silly sometimes. Well, all the time. Especially when you dance. It's just a fun, amazing experience. Allowing the divine energy enter you and use your body for beautiful movement. Being conscious about it too. Just absolutely beautiful when you divine yourself, when you really allow yourself to be who you are. And yeah, many may not like it. Many will call you crazy. That's okay. The ones who judging, there will be always someone who is unhappy with themselves. You know. Acceptance, unconditional acceptance. It's hard for many on this country, well, on this planet, and starts within, right? When we accept ourselves for who we are, when we heal ourselves, when we become really, we gain the wisdom from our own higher self, and that unconditional love that everyone is part of it and has it deep within themselves is absolutely necessary for planet Earth now. It's absolutely necessary for any type of healing. Um, and it's all around us, nature, and it's all within.